Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Brittany and today I will be trying out a different type of lash. I've already removed them from the box, but it's the Linx lash ribbon. These are a little different. They come in one solid ribbon. I have it upside down. Oh, it's upside down. So you can see like that. I got these on Amazon. I've seen them on social media and some other influencers that I follow. So I figured I'd give them a try. This particular style is the N1 with a C curl, and they are 14 millimeter long. These are just a little different because instead of little segments, like little clusters, you actually cut how many you want to use and how big you want to use them. So you're going to need a pair of scissors for that, obviously. And you're going to need your glue of choice. I use Lash glue. And you're going to need your tweezers. So let's just get this started. I'm going to pull very softly on the lashes to remove them a little bit at a time. I don't want to pull too hard because I don't want to break them. So typically I use about 5 clusters per eye. So what I'm going to do, I think, because they're in like small pieces, I'm going to probably cut them like they would be a cluster. And that's usually typically about like a size of a 2-piece set. So I'm going to do that. I'm not going to pull them off completely because I don't want to use the whole ribbon and then have it. So here I cut two little segments, if you can see them. So that'll be one cluster. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to make 5 clusters in all. That's because that's what I usually use for my eyes. The band is really nice and thin, so it won't show. Be careful not to cut into the lashes. Just cut like on the side of the lashes. You don't want to cut the lashes themselves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. I'm always on the lookout for new lashes because I'm still trying to find. Like, I love my Amazon lashes that I wear all the time, but you know, you're always trying to find something different. So that's what I do. I look around, I look to see if I can find anything that I love even more. It's just fun. Try different styles. So you're gonna go ahead and put your glue on your lashes like you normally do. If you don't have glue like this and you have the one that goes directly on the band, go ahead and do that. I know that the Flutter Habit glue and the Linkifly glue is more of a liquid glue that you put directly on the lashes before you apply them to your eyes. So that's one eye. I always do the second eye because this stuff is very easy to work with. It doesn't dry super fast, so you can't use it. So you can't work with it later when you're done, because with the second coat of glue that I'm about to use, it'll help make the lashes stick for a long time. Okay. So I don't know about where you live, but where we live, we are experiencing really early spring. So it's kind of making us feel like that itch for summer that everybody else is feeling. But when spring approaches, you kind of crave the sunshine more. If you're a sunshine lover. If you're not a sunshine lover, then I don't know, but I do. I'm over winter at this point. Okay. So now that I put my first coat of glue, I'm going to put my second coat. And this is the clear glue for the Lashify glue. It doesn't say to put it all over your lashes, but I do because it just gives that extra hold for the lashes. Okay. So I'm going to kind of just let that dry in a little bit. It along. You have your little, I have, let's see if I can get it. If I can find it. Okay, I can't find it at the moment, but I have one of the little pumping ones, pumping dryers. That usually helps, but I really don't need it right now. Okay, this one's, okay, so now it's ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead. Now this isn't just a review. This can be a first timer if you need to learn how to do it. So I put all my glue on my lashes, and what you're gonna do, if you want, if it makes it easier, you can pull up on your eye and place the lash along the lash line, but don't touch the water line. Okay, wait, I have glue stuck in my tweezers, so it's not letting the lash go. Okay, let's try that again. Anybody else have dogs that follow them everywhere? Or pets that follow them everywhere? My dogs are laying right outside the door. They follow me everywhere. Okay, so that was one segment. Now I'm going to put the next. Okay, so you want them right near each other, but not on top of each other. So it's kind of hard for me to see because I have a camera in my face here and then the mirror's behind the camera. I know, quite a messed up setup, but it'll work. So next is number 3. And if you have enough glue, you should be able to push it right onto your eyelash and it should stay without having to squeeze anything, do anything. And then number 4. These are really pretty. They're lightweight, so they're not like too bold. And that's what I like. I don't like too bold. I don't know if you saw my last video, but if you didn't, I tried the Blinkifly lashes in the classic lash. But they were really, really thick and bold. And I'm not one for that. Like, I like something that looks a little more natural, looks a little more like lash extensions, not really, really thick. But if that's what you like, that's what you like. Just personally for me, I like to be a little less bold and more natural. So that's first eye. I'm going to go ahead and squeeze. I have one that's picking me. Okay. Before you squeeze, make sure they're comfortable, because once you squeeze them on, they're stuck. So if you feel like anything's poking you, you can remove that that little cluster, replace it. It won't affect the lashes. So I'm going to go ahead and squeeze it because now I'm comfortable. So you just grab at the base of the lash, squeeze them on. And do that everywhere. A lot of people like to do the cat eye look It looks pretty on other people's eyes, but I find it looks weird on my eyes. I don't know why. I like the one length all the way across look. If you want to mix and match your lengths, they offer all sorts of different lengths for this. I chose a 14 millimeter because that's what I use, but you can do 12s, 10s, whatever. Start, if you want a cat eye, you would start with the shorter and work your way out and have the longer at the end. If you want a doll eye, I think that goes a little shorter in the corner out here, shorter here, and then it works its way into longer. So it's kind of like all in the middle. Or you can do like I do and just use one solid length all the way across. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do the second eye off camera just so it doesn't take so much time, and I will be right back. Okay, so I am back. I did the second eye off camera. This is the final look. They are absolutely beautiful. These cost $15 for the strip, so it's a little more expensive, and I use maybe half, almost half, for just one time. So you probably only get a couple times out of this. So it is a little more expensive than the other ones that I've used off of Amazon, but I really like the quality of them. They're super soft. I am going to brush through them because I normally do after I apply to get any clumping out. There. So they're brushed, they are on, and they are pretty. So I do recommend these. They are a little pricier, like I said. You don't get as many clusters, obviously, as you do with the other brands that I've recommended, but they're worth a try. I like how natural they feel, how they feel on the eye, how they look. I like this kind of look. So I do recommend, if you want to give it a try, I'll put the link down below and you can choose your length and whatever else you need to change up, and you can give them a try. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button down below, and I will see you next time.